Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the Mac to accept connections. First, verify your Mac OS version and install Microsoft Remote Desktop if you plan to connect from Windows or another Mac. Then open System Settings, go to Sharing, and toggle Screen Sharing or Remote Management on. Make sure you pick which user accounts can connect. Once done, create or confirm a user account and secure password explicitly for remote access, so you can reference credentials when connecting. Next, set up network and client details so the connection works reliably. Find the Mac's local IP address in Network Settings or Terminal. You'll need it for direct connections. If connecting across the internet, forward TCP port 3389 on your router, or, more securely, connect through a VPN or RD gateway. In Microsoft Remote Desktop on the client, add a new PC using the IP. Enter the username and password, and configure display and sound preferences. Make sure to test a local connection before attempting external access. Finally, connect and lock down the session. Open your Remote Desktop client, select the saved PC, and connect. Accept certificates on first use and tweak scaling for readability. For security, prefer VPN or an RD gateway, enforce strong passwords, and enable Mac OS firewall rules. If the connection fails, systematically troubleshoot. Confirm the Mac's IP and that port 3389 is forwarded or VPN active. Check sharing is still enabled. Restart the screen sharing/remote management service and reboot the Mac if necessary. That usually resolves common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.